Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I want to drop these tricks for you guys. This is under 4.5 and under 3.5 tricks. And the best time to play this is evening time. Evening time. Play it around 5, 6, 7. Play these tricks. Let me show you. First of all, let's start with England. How to play this is that once you open, check the ones that have under 4.5. If you didn't see anyone that have under 4.5, once you click on show more, once you click on show more, because I'm using a bet app, so in case you're using Chrome, but I always like to use the bet app. So once you click on bet app, if you come out like this on over goals, in case you didn't see over 4.5, just click show. As I click now, show more. It will show you more. You see over 4.5. So this trick is all about under 4.5 or under 3.5. See how you do this. If big team is on our way, then open their statistics like this. Check their last winning. You see they have 4 goals on their last winning. So then now go back, open their main odds. If you see something like this, you see 18 for over 1.5, like 1.18, or you see 1.28. This is during 5, 6, 7 p.m. in the evening. You play it under 4.5. Under 4.5. You play it under 4.5. The over 4.5 must have 5 odd, must have 5 odd like this, or it must have 6 odd. So you play it under 4.5 towards evening 5, 6, 7, especially 7 in the evening. Play it under 4.5. Let's see how the trees again. See how it works. Once you open and see their last game is, let me show you. You open their statistics and see their last game is they score 4 goals. So what you now do is you now go back to the main where you see big odds like this. Because I'm using bet app, that's why it's like this. So you now come to over 4.5. You see 5 odd here. So what you do is, once there is 1.18 or 1.28 or 1.38, you play it under 4.5. Under 4.5. And when you come to each league like this in England, pick like two games. You now go to another league, pick 2 games, go to another league, put 2 games. Don't pick more than 2 on each league. So that's how you play under 4.5. And before you pick it to 2, you must get like 2 odd, then you stake. This is number 1. Let's go to another tricks. Remember, this is Zoom. So let's go back. Let's go back to another tricks. I'll be using Serie A. This is Italy. So this is how this one works. Once you see something like this, 255, 350 for draw, then check their last match by opening the statistics. Once you see their percentage like this, you see 37%, 36%, You can see it. Then see their last match 0-0-0. See, so what you do, go and play this type of game under 4.5. Under 4.5. This is another trace you also use to play under 4.5. So this is the two trace you use to play under 4.5 from evening time. That kind 5, 6, 7, especially 7 in the evening. Do this on Zoom Soccer. It will go well. So let me show you another tricks. I'll be using Germany. So if you want to play over 1.5 in the morning, use these tricks. If you come to Google, and you see two odds like this kind of odd. You see this kind of odd. This type of odd that have 208 or 209, or you see 202, 202. You see it for voting to score. Go and play it over 1.5. If you see it in the morning, anytime in the morning, play it over 1.5. So the trace is working now. It's working perfectly now. Then how to get over 1 again is here. Go to this 15-minute score. This last one, 15-minute score. Once you come to 15-minute score, you see all that has 9 like this, 2.69, 2.39. Play it. Just play it over 1.5. So do this for other leagues. Remember to always pick 2 games on each league. Then, if you guys never join our Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel on the description of this video. I will post the link on the description of this video. Our Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel is ready now for you guys to join. In case you don't know, you don't see the link, but the link is on the description of this video. You can chat me on WhatsApp on 070-3676-0527. So in case you never see how to join, it's not hard. Just click on the link and join the description on the description of this video. Just join the link. It directs you to our Telegram channel. So just let me still show you another tricks here on Spain. Now this bet app is even easier than to use Chrome. For those of you that is not downloaded, that don't have the app already, just go to Play Store, download Bet app. So you to be downloaded there. See, everything is easy here. So once you download the app, everything is easy to use here. The options will be easier for you than to use a Chrome. But anyone that is okay for you, no problem. It's okay. So this trace again, straight win. Let me work on this straight win. Remember, this trace I talk is not included with these two leagues here. This Tornado League and Tornado League 2 is not included here. Remember, this one is not included. This one is different 2 games. These two. So don't go here. So follow others we are playing before. So I never dropped tricks for this one yet. So no, they have Zoom tennis. This is a Zoom tennis. So we'll be coming to it very soon. So let's continue with our Zoom Soccer. In case any of you never subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also click on that notification bell in order not to miss our video. So let me drop this trees again. This trees now is on home and away over. This one have started already. Let's go to Portugal. Please always avoid here, League 1. Always say it. Always avoid here. This place. they always use this place to scatter people's ticket. So always avoid France. France, that is a League One. Always avoid it. This place is dangerous. And also Italy, this is Serie A. This place is not okay, especially if you are playing go-go. This place, you will not like the result. This place is okay for under. This one is okay for straight win. A little bit okay for over goals. But League One, avoid it. For this is France, avoid it. There's some time they score enough goals. They're also good for over goals sometimes, but sometimes they are not. They are using this particular league to frustrate people. So always avoid this League One, which is a France. So always avoid it. So let's go to Portugal. Portugal. Problem with Portugal is that they delay in scoring goals. They delay sometimes to score goals. So if I don't know if you people have already noticed it, this Portugal, they always delay to score goals. Sometimes, especially in the evening time, they delay. So this place is okay to even play under 4.5 in the evening time. This place is okay, especially when you see games like this. Games like this will be okay to play under 3.5, under 4.5. This type of games will be okay. Then this type will be okay to play under 4.5 in the evening time. Then another one is, let's go to Sporty. Let us go to Sporty. Let me show you something on Sporty. How to play over one on Sporty. Once you come to Sporty, so what you do is, first of all, open it, go to their stats, check their last goals. For example, just pay attention. For example, how to play over 1.5 on Sporty. If you come to any team like this that have 4 goals, like there are 5 matches, they have played 4 goals for their 5 matches, and their last match is this year, 2024, play it over 1.5. If you see something like this, and they have played this kind of goal, 4 goals for 5 matches, anyone that have 5 matches, have played 5 goals for their 5 matches, play it over 1.5. It will go well. This is the tricks you'll be using on Sporty to get over 1.5. Alright guys, I will stop here for now. Don't forget to join our Telegram group, our Telegram channel. On the description of this video, you will see the link to Telegram channel. Then join the link. Just click on the link. It directs you to Telegram to join our Telegram. Or you want to chat to me on WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number still remain 07036760527. For rollover plan of 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month, chat me also on WhatsApp. If you want to stake high or you want to stake low, chat me. I will teach you how to use this Zoom Soccer to play your rollover for any duration of your choice you want, or you want normal soccer with a few games, just 2 games, Use it to play your rollover for over 1, just 2 games. You can use Sporty, you can use Betano, you can use Zoom Soccer to do your rollover with just 2 games. Will not be more than any odd will see on 2 games. You use it to play. We will not choose more than 2 games. Alright, this is Correct Bet. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this video. Don't forget to join our Telegram channel by going direct to description of this video. click the link and join our Telegram channel. Our WhatsApp number still remain 07036760527. All right, thank you guys. See you on the next video.